Welcome to LS550. We are in the 2018 fall semester. This is a research methodologies in library science. My name is Dr. Simon Ariseguieta. I'd like to welcome you all. What we're going to do in this recording is to show you the main components of this class. First, please make sure you go over all of this and first read the syllabus, then introduce yourself to the class and I am. Start reading the first chapter of your textbook. Also read the DV1. DV1 stands for discussion board, and I will show you that in a minute. Also, you can read instructions for the quizzes and the final exam. It is very important you take a look at the due dates. Here they are. Okay. And like always, please put a lot of attention in number 8 because there are no extensions, make-up assignments, or extra credit activities. And late submissions are not accepted, okay? After you have watched these videos, you have still any questions, please post them in Ask a Question. I would like you also to watch Dr. Clark's IRB video and read about Clarion University Institutional Review Board. Okay. Also, you have to read APA's 6th edition formatting, and let me make this very clear. For this class, you need to use APA to present your research or your project proposal. Okay. The research or project proposal is the first 3 chapters: the introduction, the literature review, and the methodology which you are going to use. This class is designed to get you halfway through your final project or research paper that will be due on when you take LS600 the next semester. Also, this class is very important for those who like to do research and collect original data, or if you're going into a PhD program or doctoral program, you need to know about the research traditions, okay? So for this paper, for this class, and all my classes are the same, you have to know APA. If you don't know, please study it. I have put some links there that will help you understand how to format and how to cite and how to write your reference in your paper. Again, the main goal in this paper is to have a research or project proposal that is 3 chapters: the introduction, the literature review, and the methodology. Okay, so make sure you read the due dates. These are the activities that are going to be graded during this semester. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 discussion boards, and these are the due dates. For example, the first one is due on September 16, 11:30 p.m., which means that you have to have completed this discussion board before this due date. Okay, you can do it the same day, you can do it today. You don't have to wait till the last minute. Then we will have quizzes. We're going to have 4 quizzes: quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, and quiz 4. And they are open, but the due date is here. For example, for quiz number 1 is October 14. Then we have the final exam, and that's due on December 16, and I think the final exam will be open the 15th and the 16th. And the most important assignment is your individual project or research proposal, and it has to be in the Dropbox, assignment Dropbox, by December 14, which is I think the last day of class. Okay, so if we go to the content area, you can see the syllabus right here. If you need the syllabus, you can download the syllabus, and please make sure you read the syllabus. I'm not going to read the syllabus to you because then this video will take too much time, but you can read the syllabus at your own pace. Okay, Let's see what else is in the table of content. Then we have IRB, and as I said, I want you this week to watch Dr. Clark's IRB video. IRV is required if you are going to get data from human subjects. If you're going to do interviews or if you're going to do a survey, then you need to get the IRB. However, if you're going to do a collection management project or research, you don't need to use the IRV. I would recommend that you choose a topic where you don't need to get data from humans, from people, but you can work on a project, or you can work on researching a catalog, researching the services, researching websites, etc., that will get you through the capstone LS600 without doing an IRB. But many people in the past semester, and every year, they do like to do interviews or surveys or observations. And if you do, that's fine. Only you have to take into consideration that to carry on your research for LS600, you have to have the IRB approved. So please watch this video by Dr. Clark. Normally, you will get all your paperwork for your IRB during the LS550 semester. In other words, this fall semester. Because in the spring, you're going to do LS600, and that's where you are going to collect data. And you need to have the IRB approved to collect data. You don't need it for 550 because, as I said at the beginning, we're going to do only the introduction, the literature review, and the methodology. So there is no collection of data. Collection of data means that you're going to do interviews, you're going to do surveys, you're going to do an experiment, you're going to observe, etc. And that you will do in LS600. So let's think about very carefully in what we want to do. Here are some required readings that I'm asking you, and some of them are needed to do your DBs or discussion boards. Then I have also assigned a selected readings that, of course, I encourage you to do. I won't be testing you on this or doing any homework in this regard, but I think it is very important that you do them. Then we have the DBs, and you can see them here. So in at least in the first three, you have to do some extra readings that are here where it says required readings. And then for DB4, we want to hear about your proposal, your research or project proposal, and in the DB5, you paste your proposal there. Here are my, here, okay, here DBs. Then this is, as I said, this is the main assignment in this class, and is to write the proposal. Okay, here are the instructions, so you can go through them. And as I said, introduction, literature review, methodology, and reference. This is what you need for your individual proposal. The first three chapters, introduction, literature review, methodology, and of course the references. For LS600, then you would add two more chapters, results and discussion. Okay, results, discussion, and in this, at the end of the discussion, you will have a conclusion. But for this class, LS550, we only need to write the introduction, the literature review, the methodology, and of course have the reference. The formatting of the paper and the citations and reference have to be done in APA. Okay, I have posted a proposal that one of my students did 2 or 3 years ago, so you can read it here. So please make sure you read it or take a look at it. Then this is a rubric that I will use to grade your paper. This is what it needs to be there. Uh, then we have research questions, and this is very important because it tells you what a research question is, how to formulate it. Then we have a template so you can look at it. How does it look a paper in APA? So you have to have your first page, then your abstract, then your introduction, literature review, methodology, and references. Okay. I have also provided several links to APA, and these are very helpful, especially the Purdue OWL link. Okay, all you need is here. What else is here? There's a blog also for APA, and I really encourage you to read it. And I think that I put a paper template here too. Okay. I have my PowerPoints here, my video lectures, and I will be telling you every week which lectures to watch. For this week, I already put it that in the homepage, in the D2L homepage. Here are the quizzes with the due dates and the final exam. We have university policies here. This is very important you read them, and due dates. It's the same scan. Okay. Then if we go to assessment, we have the assignments, and we have only one drop box, which is for the individual project or proposal, and it's due the last day of class, December 14. Then we have the quizzes. As I said, we have 4 quizzes and a final exam. Please do not worry about the quizzes because there is plenty of time to finish them up, and if you're reading textbook, you won't have any trouble. Okay, so here's the grades. So each DV is worth 1 point if you complete 2 posting, an initial post and a feedback to one of your classmates. If you only do 1 post, you get 0.5. Then we have the quizzes. Each one is worth 15 points. Finally, the individual project or proposal or research proposal is worth 20 points. And the final exam is just like another quiz, but comprehensive, and is worth 15 points. Okay. In communications, we have what I call the non-graded forum right here, and this is where I want you to introduce yourself to me and to your classmates. This is to ask questions and about IRB, science and research, week 3 and 4, and so on. And we can add other topics here. And this is the one that is graded. As I said, you'll get 1 point if you do full participation, which means you have to post twice in each discussion board. So in DV1 you have to have 2 posts at least. You can have as many as you like, but at least you have to have 2 to get full credit, which is 1 point. If you only do it once, you get 0.5, and if you don't do it, you get 0. Again, look at the due dates because I won't give any extensions. And why do I do this? Because I'm telling you from the first day of class when you have to turn in your work. And if you don't do it, it's because you're waiting till the last moment. You can start today to work on DV1. You don't have to wait. You can start today. So don't wait till September 16 and then tell me you didn't have time. You have plenty of time. You have more than 16 days to complete DV1. Okay, I think the other thing is I will be using this tool called Zoom, which is we use it to communicate, and I will do like host the meeting, and even I'm thinking about that, like once a week I'll be online. And if you here it's me. If you wanna have a conversation with me, or if you like my office hours, they will be online office hours. And also we can have a time to maybe I can talk, maybe I can teach a little bit online too, but at least I will be online once a week. So please get a microphone and a camera, and we can have a conversation online. Okay, let me end this and meeting for all. Okay. So this is Zoom, and we will be using that so we can interact. So please if you want to get a camera, that's fine, but make sure you have a microphone so you can ask me questions, and we can interact. I'm gonna have that at least once a week as a way of providing my office hours to you online. If you want to contact me, the best way is to send me an email, and we can make an appointment, and we'll go through Zoom. Okay. All right. I think that's good enough. We're good enough for today. Again, please make sure you go to the D2L homepage, and you do this. You go through 1 through 12 and do all the activities that I'm asking you for this first week. Thank you.